As he gazed, something bright and small seemed to twinkle down in the heart of the hole. Like a tiny star, a brown little face was whiskered, small neat ears, and thick skinny hair. It was the water rat. Hello, mole, said the water rat. Would you like to come over? The rat then lightly stepped into a little boat, rowed smartly across and made fast. Then he held up his forepaws as the mole stepped gingerly down and found himself actually seated in the stern of a real boat. Do you know, said Mole as the rat showed off, I have never been in a boat before in all my life. What? Cried the rat open mouthed. Believe me, my young friend, there is nothing, absolute nothing, half so much worth doing as simply messing about in boats. Simply messing. Look here, if you have really nothing else on hand this morning, we can drop down the river together and spend a long day on it. I have pickled gherkins, salad, French roll, craze, sandwiches, lemonade, soda, water. Oh, stop, stop, cried the mole in assassinative to me. So this is a river. The river, corrected the rat. I lived on it and in it. It's brother and sister to me, and food and drink and naturally washing. It's my world and I don't want any other. What lies over there? Asked the mole, waving a paw toward. What lies over there? Asked the mole, waving a paw towards a background of woodland. जब बेटे उस मोल की नज़र एक जगह ठहरती है, वो एक चूहे का घर था। तभी वह देखता है कि चूहा जो अपना फेस बाहर निकालता है वह एक वाटर रैट था। वाटर रैट उसको हेलो बोलता है और कहता है कि क्या तुम इस तरफ आना चाहोगे, और फिर वह अपने नाव के अंदर बैठकर इस साइड आ जाता है। फिर वह मोल कहता है कि मैंने अपनी लाइफ में आज से पहले कभी नाव भी नहीं देखी। वाटर रैट कहता है कि इसमें कुछ भी विशेष चीज़ नहीं है। फिर वह उसको बताता है कि उसके घर फ्रेंड्स कई चीज़ें हैं। तो मोल है वो बहुत ज़्यादा खुश हो जाता है और कहता है ठीक है चलो। फिर मोल उस चूहे से पूछता है कि उधर वुडलैंड के पीछे क्या है। That's just the wildwood, said the rat shortly. We don't go there very much, we river bankers. We sell salt, foxes, and so on lives in the wildwood. They are all right in a way, but well, you can't really trust them, and that's the fact. And beyond the wildwood again, asked Mole, where it's all blue and dim, and one sees what may be hills, or perhaps they may not be, and something like the smoke of towns, or is it only a cloud? Beyond the wildwood comes the wild world, said the rat. And that's something that doesn't matter either to you or me. I have never been there, and I am never going, nor will you. If you have got any sense at all, don't ever refer to it again, please. वाटर रैट है वो मोल को बताता है कि वहाँ पर जंगल है जहाँ पर काफ़ी सारे जानवर हैं, लेकिन वह उधर ज़्यादा बार नहीं गया हुआ है। फिर वह मोल से कहता है कि हम उन्हें ज़्यादा ट्रस्ट नहीं कर सकते हैं। फिर मोल पूछता है कि वह जंगल से आगे क्या है। तो वाटर रैट बताता है कि वहाँ पर शायद पहाड़ियाँ हैं। बादल हैं या फिर धुएं से भरे हुए शहर हैं। फिर वह कहता है कि हमें इससे क्या लेना देना, मैं वहाँ कभी भी नहीं गया हूँ और ना ही तुम्हें वहाँ पर जाना चाहिए, और प्लीज़ इस तरह की बातें फिर मत पूछना। थैंक यू।